Something wonderful! Artful card kit from hot off the press has everything you need to make artful layered cards all from one kit. Now you're getting 73 pieces altogether, 39 die cuts, and 78 custom papers, plus 27 cutout greetings, and you get ideas here on the front. So I've pulled this off. You're also going to get ideas on the back. So you're going to get some beautiful looks with this kit from these great papers, but I'm going to start with these die cuts. 39 die cuts in soft colors with florals. You're getting circles and gingham. So that's sort of the plan that you're going to be seeing here. Beautiful florals there. A nice large die cut some of these and match these smaller ones. You're getting tinier embellishments. You're getting border pieces. You're getting labels. You can stamp on these with a stays on, or you can write on them with a permanent marker. So lots of fun elements there, and even more here. Love that bicycle. So easy to just pop that out and use that as a focal for your card. Large scroll work. You're getting little butterflies, tinier pieces. And these are just going to be really fun to play with. Some of these are nested, so that you're going to be able to pop out that centerpiece, and then you'll be able to pop out the frame around it as well. And there's a great tag and some separate large floral pieces. So beautiful die cuts, and really they match the imagery and go perfectly with these papers. And look at this gorgeous paper. You've got a gingham edge here with kind of a nice lace work as we move down to these flowers, which are just so, they're almost a little bit watercolory, just really beautiful imagery. And you've got scroll work in the background. You've got a ghosting of flowers sort of floating everywhere, and this beautiful look in that there's text all over it. Almost, it looks like it came right out of a dictionary. So that's a really beautiful look. And you've got this kind of a sketchy, it's sort of a linen look. I think it's kind of hard to see, but there's a line work in there. There we go. That makes it look like fabric. So I love that look. And plus you've got those florals laid on top of it in beautiful blues. The next piece is an overall floral piece, just beautiful florals, again with that text in the background. So that's going to match perfectly. Beautiful ivory in that same sort of a fabric look in an overall. And you've got this nice piece again with the pink gingham and that fun little lace work edge and the text work there. Another gingham, this time in blacks and white, black and white. And then an overall floral, and it ties all of the colors together. Then you've got 27 cutout greetings, and these are great for all occasions. So you've got sending best wishes your way. I like the way you roll. That's a great one. Just for you. It's your birthday. There is something wonderful about this day. So, oh, this is great. A cheerful heart is good medicine. So lots of great sentiments in there, but right next to each one of these, you're going to see another one that's left open for you to do your own journaling, your own sentiment. You can write on there. You can stamp a sentiment on there. Anything you want, and you've got these ready to cut out. So these are cutout greetings, and they match perfectly with the papers and with the die cuts. And take a look at those die cuts when you add them to a card. So you've got this, first of all, layered with those papers. So the nice blue in the background, a strip of the ivory, a strip of that border piece there. It's just been torn along the edge. And just start layering some of the die cuts with some of the cutout greetings. And here are the die cuts, and this one in the center has been foam taped to give it just a little bit of lift. Beautiful look, very easily done. It doesn't take much to do that. It's simple, it's quick, beautiful card making. Oh, isn't that adorable? So nice little strip of paper that's been matted on another piece of paper. Add one of the little cutouts and add a die cut. Quick, easy, and beautiful. And look at this one. Now this one has the addition of some glitter tape down there. You'll have to look on Paper Wishes to see what kind of glitter options you can have. Try our triple finish, that'd be great. for a nice glittery look, but the die cut's just sitting on top and below with, you've got a border piece, extra little butterflies and a nice little hello. So super easy to make beautiful, quick and easy cards, just adding some of those elements to the inside. And you can even take those papers and add them to a part of your envelope to make a cute look there. 73 pieces all together, the Something Wonderful Artful Card Kit.